Welcome to Kuber Kushagar AI. We are actively developing an AI system designed to assist with stock trading decisions in the share market. While we are currently in an experimental phase and refining our engine, we are committed to transparency, documenting, and sharing the outcomes generated by this AI system. It is important to exercise caution when considering these transactions and conduct a thorough research of your own before following our actions. Please note that the stock market is inherently volatile and losses can occur unpredictably. Therefore, making informed decisions is paramount. This video is for education purposes only. So, the stock idea for today, that is Tuesday, 23rd of April, 2024, is GlaxoSmithKline. Well, we have seen that in the recent days, GlaxoSmithKline has seen a decrease after a sharp increase of around 40% in the stock price. We have seen that after that, it has moved down by about um, 15% or so. And now it has just crossed the lower Bollinger Band, and hopefully it will start moving upwards. You can also see that it has not breached this resistance level, so this might be a good idea to buy. Right now, the stock is trading at 1950, and the target price would be 2257. The market sentiment is positive, and the beta value is extremely low. So this might be a good buy in this um, choppy stock market right now. Among the other ideas that we had shared earlier, what we are seeing is India Mart has gained 2.5%. Timken, which had gained around 6%, has dropped down to around 5%, but then it's not too bad. We'll continue to hold on to this one. Devyani International Limited is slightly moving upwards in the last couple of sessions. So we'll see what happens with this one. And with PVR Inox, the idea that we had shared on Friday, it has already moved by 6 rupees, but it has upside to it. One long-term idea that we had shared of Craftsman Automation Limited. Now, this stock is actually trending downwards and it is very, very close to the lower circuit. So, it is right now trading at 4263. And if it goes a little below, like 4260, it would be a time to sell this one. So, that's all we have for today. Again, I want to emphasize that do not make decisions solely based on this video, but rather do your own research. Have a good day ahead.